As soon as the epicenter, some earthquake occurs, they will send it to the command and control center, which is not in Dehradun, which is in Roorkee. Earthquake warning system. Earthquake warning system. India's first forest healing thing, and before that I talked about this Chipko movement and all that. India's first earthquake warning. It is not a prediction system. There is no technology in the world to predict when an earthquake is going to come, exact time, but early warning system. It's like tsunami early warning system. We set it up with the help of Southeast Asian countries. There's already there functioning in Pacific Ocean, Japan's head, because there are a lot of tsunamis come. So whenever an earthquake occurs in Sumatra, Indonesia, it will take 2 to 3 hours for the waves to reach India, to tsunami to reach India. So that immediately gives warning. So we can evacuate people on that. Similarly, we have got cyclone early warning system. We can track it with the help of satellites, and we know where exactly the landfall it will make, and we can move the people out of that and all that. So like this is an earthquake warning system. So this is being developed by IIT Roorkee. Of course, Roorkee, Uttarakhand is here. Roorkee is very close by Dehradun. Roorkee, you can see Roorkee, right? So IIT Roorkee is there near Haridwar in Uttaranchal. So part of that. So that is why IIT Roorkee was the pioneering tech, provided the technology for that early. So this is known as EEW, Earthquake Early Warning System. EEWS, you can say Earthquake Early Warning System. So IIT Roorkee, and when they started this, they got financial support from Union Ministry of Earth Sciences, MOES, because earthquake prediction, weather, monsoon, everything comes under MOES, Ministry of Earth Sciences, and also from Uttarakhand government. So all have funded this project, and now they are implementing it in Uttarakhand, whole state. Initially they started in few districts, now it has been extended to the whole state. And what is this thing does? So when an earthquake occurs, please go and study in geography. They may ask about earthquakes, what are the type of waves and all that, Richter scale, Mercalli scale and all that, and primary waves, secondary waves, all that. So nice diagram is given in Gochan Liang. Please go through all that. So secondary, not secondary, D, not T. So according to this, what is the thing? It is a real-time system. They tested it in laboratory. So what happens is, as soon as an earthquake starts, onset, we know what is epicenter. Starts from epicenter, the vibrations start. Then primary waves come, and then secondary waves travel, transfers and all that. So, but these waves they travel very fast. Waves, they travel really very fast, but they say but their speed is still lesser than electromagnetic waves, like our telecom waves. So if it is possible, can we then find it out and then give some advance warning to the people, so therefore they can take some cover, they can escape from this effect of this thing. That's the thing. So this will work. Real time means it will work 24/7. So there is a base station set up in Dehradun, and I will explain what is they are going to do. That briefly I will explain. Question will be very simple. They won't go to the technical details of this, etc. So, but other countries have already got it. Japan has got, US has got, Mexico has got, and so these are the countries which already have this, EEWS, Earthquake Early Warning System. So, what happens is, this is a real-time system. There are servers, there are computers which work on real-time. As soon as the epicenter vibrations are felt, it will be coming to the main command and control center, and there immediately they will be processed, whether it is an earthquake or some other thing, etc. Or as I said, a lot of blasts are also going on in Himalayas for construction of dams, roads, buildings and all those things. So they have already set up 200 sensors in the main central thrust zone. Main central thrust zone that's a major fault line in Central Himalayas. So that goes through, cuts across from half of this thing from Nepal to Himachal. So there they are placed in very important places. Sensors have been placed. So as soon as the epicenter, some earthquake occurs, they will send it to the command and control center, which is not in Dehradun, which is in Roorkee. Right. They have already a computer algorithm which finds the signals, where the epicenter is, how depth is the epicenter, what is the magnitude, and how fast the waves will travel, and which are the places it will strike. So all those things will be done. So then immediately an alert will be generated to send to all the people in the mobile. You have to download this app, and as soon as an earthquake strikes, immediately this processor, central computer algorithm, etc., and it will tell you in how much of time this is going to, you will be feeling this. Before you feel it, that alert will come in this. For anything above the magnitude on 5.5 on the Richter scale, you will be getting this alert immediately. So, and it also tell how much time you have got to escape. So now that's a funny thing is coming. 11,000 kilometers per hour. This is the minimum speed. 11,000 kilometers per hour is the minimum speed of slowest secondary waves. This thing. So how you are going to do? So the maximum time you will get is up to 1 minute to escape or to hide behind your desk, so that the beams falling down does not fall on your head and all those things, or go to your corner and all that, or coming out of your house, the bad thing. Maximum limit. But even you won't get that. For example, a person living in Dehradun, the biggest city there, will get 15 seconds only. If you get this thing 15 seconds, what you don't even know what to do. So basically nothing. But they say it's a new technological thing, and we are going to do that. In a few seconds, you will get to escape from your house or wherever this thing, what you can. But you have to, awareness and all that we need to create. But apart from this, apart from giving some few seconds, precious seconds of advance warning before you can feel and the tremble and all that, this will also, after this earthquake occurs, the app will have two buttons. One is red button. If you are affected and this thing, you can press that I need help button. That's a red color button. That means I have been affected, I couldn't escape, so I need a thing. Or a green button. Green button means I am safe. So red button means I need help, so that they can, all this are stored. So the rescue workers can come quickly and they can take you out of the rubble, and so can breathe again and all those things, etc. So this is what it has been done by IIT Roorkee. As I said, they can for any magnitude, anything on a 22/7 basis, 24/7 basis, this operates, and you get some few seconds of work. So in India, of course, we are expecting one real big earthquake, somewhere magnitude of 8. Even the one which affected Nepal, which killed many people in 2005 or 6, was only around 7.2, 7.3. A real biggie is expected anytime, but nobody knows when, because of the various, the Himalayas are growing, still Indian plate is subsiding, and various human-induced activities in such eco-sensitive areas like Uttarakhand are all affecting the fragile ecosystem. So there are, India has been mapped extensively. Seismic map has been created. Seismic map. According to the seismic map, around 59% of landmass of India is prone to earthquakes. 59% of earthmass, but at different intensities or different magnitudes. There are 4 seismic zones under the map. Seismic zones. Zone 5, in Roman letters, it is the most dangerous. And zone 1, nothing happens, so that is not needed. Zone 3, zone 4, zone 3, zone 2 are there. So the least, the most active seismic zone is zone 5, and whole of Uttaranchal, whole of Himalayas come under the zone 5. So because this is an area very vulnerable, Sikkim, as I said, most of the earthquakes, even now also, every year it happens. But if the epicenter is away from India, for example, it occurs in Pakistan occupied, the so-called northern areas, which I discussed it in the second lecture, Gilgit and Baltistan. It occurs in Central Asian countries, which are extension of Himalayas, the Pamirs, Karakoram range and all that. It occurs in Afghanistan. in the Hindu Kush mountains, which again is an extension of Himalayas. It occurs in Tibet, more importantly here, Sichuan province, which is an extension of Tibet. So Sichuan province is somewhere here, Sichuan. So these are the places where big earthquakes, about 6-7 plus earthquake occurs there. But they say in India anytime it can be expected, and even Delhi will be affected. Delhi is not far away from this place, and many buildings are not earthquake resilient, though we have various guidelines which every year they do ask about it in the mains, environmental disaster management. That happens. Right, so these are the zone 5, around 11%, 59% of India falls in this 4 zones, zone 5, 4, 3 and 2, and 11% of India's landmass falls in the most seismically active area, Himalayas area, that is zone 5. Right, so you have to remember IIT Roorkee and what is the technology and all that. I have briefly explained about what is the thing. They started initially as a pilot project in few districts. Now it has been extended to whole of Himalayas.